back at it here again today. And today, my cousin Tanner got his lowering springs installed on his 2018 EcoBoost. Finally, his cooling fan goes off. So he went with Steeda, and they're 1.25 inches lower all the way around, so front and rear. It looks really good. Car sits a lot better. He also got the Resonator cut off of the middle section off of his Corsa Sport catback, so now it's full 3-inch straight pipe all the way back to the mufflers. And today we're going to install this JLT cold air intake on his EcoBoost. It's real simple. So all you need, you can either use a flathead screwdriver to undo the C-clamps, or a socket, and you need 7 and 8 millimeters. And you need a 10 millimeter to take out this bolt over here. We already took it out. And you got to take out your mass airflow, and that's pretty much it, guys. And you got to unhook your PCV and your blow-off valve down here. But it's real simple, and so we're going to do that. Show y'all what it sounds like after we get done. All right, guys, so here's our stock air box, and we got to get a couple things off of it. We got to get this rubber spacer and this rubber bushing with a metal insert inside of it. And we also got to take our mass airflow sensor off. And so the way you get that out is you turn it counterclockwise and pull. So guys, the next step is to put your JLT air box in here, get your heat shield on here, put your 10 millimeter bolt back in here, and connect up this duct right here to your stock factory thing down in there. You kind of got to start with it out a little bit and then just work it. All right, guys, so there you go. Got our blow-off valve vent to the atmosphere over here. Got our PCV hooked back up, connected to the turbo. Got our mass air plugged in. JLT makes a nice little insert for that hole right there. Got this connected. Make sure you know it's tight. Filter should be good to go. We'll see how she sounds. Alright guys, so we finally got that finished up here. Actually, you got it finished up a little while ago. I had a couple buddies over, and so hung out with them for a little while, and as you can see, it's almost dark now. But cold air intakes are obviously one of the easiest installs you can ever do on your car, and they're a good cheap way to get some, or decently cheap way to get some horsepower, a little bit extra sound, especially on a turbo car, because you can make the blow-off valve vent to the atmosphere, as we did with Tanner's car, which we already did that once. It's a kind of a secret mod for you 2018 EcoBoost or 2015 and up EcoBoost owners. You can just kind of unhook that recirc hose and vent your blow-off valve straight to the atmosphere, so long as you block the one end off. But on cold air intakes, just take your time, follow the instructions, make sure you do everything right, make sure everything's connected when you're done, and that's that. And so you got pretty cheap, instant horsepower on those EcoBoost cars. Are speed density, so the intake doesn't require a tune. So he should receive some pretty instant gains. And so now he's got that, and Resonator delete in the middle with full 3-inch exhaust and Corsa Sport mufflers. He did have the full Corsa Sport catback, as you know, we did a video on that. But so now he went and got his Resonator cut off so he can have a little bit more sound. Obviously a lot deeper, sounds a lot better, in my opinion at least. I don't think it's too raspy, because I think the Corsa Sport mufflers, help keep the tone pretty low, but and good and deep. So it doesn't really sound raspy, but it does sound a little bit more raspy now with the Resonator delete and stuff. But I think he gave like $40 for that at a shop, so $50. So can't beat that at all. Here's a little sneak peek of something on my car. A little different, because something that used to be here is gone because it's about to get painted. So that's what it looks like with the stock spoiler on. We'll see the other one when it gets painted and gets back. But guys, that wraps it up for this here quick little video on Down South Racing. I'm Zach. If you all didn't know, please subscribe down below. If you like this video, give this video a like. We put out pretty good content 3 to 5 times a week or so, but college is about to start back, so we might be a little bit more limited. So maybe cut us a little slack if we only put out 2 or 3 videos a week. But we're still trying, we're still growing, almost at 3,100 subs. Mustang week is coming up soon. Again, we will be there on the 6th, September 6th, and we will be there until the 9th. So hope to get to see some of you guys down there. I'm really excited for it. You get to meet all the other YouTubers down there. On the 7th, they're having that big meet at Hooters right next to the mall. And so, like I said, I hope to get to meet a ton of people down there, see some awesome cars. But until then, guys, peace out, and I will see you on the next one.